This old guy DIY technique has to do with removing a rotted out retaining wall. This treated lumber from Home Depot is 10 years old and it's obviously failed. So when I go to remove this, rather than just taking a hammer and beating here and trying to knock the thing loose, the posts are also 10 feet old. This is mostly sand. So what I'm going to do is take the sawzall with a wood bit or with a wood blade and cut it here. Also cut it on this other side. And then after I have those two chunks cut off, I'll just come in from the end with a screwdriver and split the wood. And that'll leave me only the nails. And then I go to the metal bit and, or say metal blade, and cut the nails off with a metal blade. So basically I can remove this old failed wall without pounding around or on these 4x4 posts. So after using the wood blade and cutting off the 2x8s, these are the chunks I have left. Then I'll just put the metal blade on and cut those nails off. So I have the new 16-foot 2x8s in place. And last time I had landscape fabric behind this stuff. This time I'm going with a different product. This is a slip sheet for material handling, and it has plastic on one side and these little fiberglass black fibers on the other. So I'm going to tuck this thing in along the back of the wall. So basically it'll act just like a piece of plastic in your bathtub or shower. When the water hits it, the water should go straight down and stay in that sandy soil, as opposed to trying to come through the crack in the boards and rotting them out like it did last time. Here's a picture of what's left of the old retaining wall. Then we go to the new retaining wall. That's what the back of it looks like. So we're supposed to get a rain tonight. After a few heavy rains, I'll see how the dirt ends up in relation to that piece of plastic / fiberglass I put on there. And if I need to cut it back some, I will. And that's the new section of retaining wall. That's enough for today.